Hello, 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 everyone. It's me, Ann Moses, and I want to welcome you all to learn how to create a very simple and easy splash page with a program called Splash Wizard. Now, Splash Wizard is so easy, you can do a splash page in minutes and build your business and build your list at the same time. So, I want to show you how easy it is. So, let's just get right over there to it. Here you can see I'm in my back office, and you'll see that you will have a welcome to your back office. And as you can see right here on the right, I am a free member, and this is your work area over here on the right side. Starting at home, and you have a list of everything to do. Latest updates to start here, your profile, your upgrade to pro, your affiliate information, your splash pages, your frequently asked questions, your TOS, and your support and logout. So this is your work area, and you will use this part of your back office to do everything you need to do to create a splash. So we're going to go right down here to splash pages, and we are going to create a new one. So we'll click on that. There's information here for you to read as a free member and as a pro member. So then right underneath that, we're going to click on New Splash. And here is our editor. Now in our editor, we go back over here to the right side of our back office and select reference name. So we're going to give this splash a name, and we're just going to make it real easy, and we're going to call it test. Okay. And then we're going to go up here and close it. Next, we'll go to backgrounds, and you have a list of all different categories of backgrounds, but this splash page, we're going to make it very simple, and so we're going to click on currency, and we'll just click this $5 bill. Those are all of the images that are listed here, and as you can see, it popped right in as a background image. Now we'll just close that, and once we close that, we go scroll down on this right side again in our little work area, and we're going to go to box settings. Click on box settings. Here it explains everything to you: your box shape, your box color, your box opacity, and your position. So we're going to go to box shape, and I usually like the left and the right arrows, so I'm going to click there to change the box shape to the corners of my box just a little bit, because I want to make sure I have enough room to put text in here. Okay, once we finish that, then I decide if I want a color for my box, and if I want it white, it'll look like that. But if I don't want anything, I can choose that, none. And of course, black is how we seen it when it first appeared on the page. Then we can go down to box opacity, and once we go to box opacity, we can click least, medium, and most. Okay, so we'll go with least. Okay, and then the position, we can put it left, center, or right, but we'll leave it as center for now. Once we make our choice of all of these options, then we can close it. Okay, now after box settings, we go to sales copy. In sales copy, we go to headline. This is where you're going to put a headline title of your splash page. And so we're going to just say making money. Okay. All right. And then once we get that, we can decide if we want it black, our text color to be black, white, or red. But for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to leave it at white. Okay, and we'll close that. And once we go underneath headline, we go to subtext. We open that up, and then we highlight that. where it says click quick overview to get started, we highlight that and hit our delete key and delete that out. And we're just going to put easy money for our subtext. Okay. And then we have a choice of colors as well again. And then we go straight to bullet 1. Bullet 1, we're going to put advertise. And bullet 2, we're going to put join free. And bullet 3, we're going to put build your list. Sorry about that. Okay. And of course, for the last section of this subtext, we're going to put build for success. All right, it seems like my spelling was getting a little crazy. So then we have the option to choose the colors as well. And once we completed all of that, we close it again. Now, for the sake of time, we're going to skip the video because that's going to be in another video to show you how to insert a video in a Splash Wizard page. And so we're going to go down to branding. Branding, you have these options: picture, gravatar, frame, and name. So I usually select picture, and I go there and click on picture, and where it says select file, I double click inside the field, and then all my folders come up, and I select where I have my pictures at, and I click the folder that I want, and I'm going to choose this picture, and I'm going to open it and drop it in there. Then it says upload image, and I'm going to click upload, and there it is. Now, when that all happens, we just go back up to the top and close it again. Now, we have autoresponder. But before we go to autoresponder, I would like to share with you that I purposely left one step out on branding so that you will understand and know how you can go back and fix something up. Okay, so we're going to go back to branding. Now, as you see, you had these options: picture, gravatar, frame, and name. Now, if you look at your Splash form, you do not have the name here. Why? Because you forgot to put it there. Okay, but you had already put the picture, so you had to go back and do it. So you just go back and click on name and just type your name in there. Now, how easy is that? That's pretty easy. All right, and then you just close. So it's there and it's done. When you hit close for anything that you do, it automatically saves. So keep that in mind. Okay, now, like I said, we're going to skip autoresponder because that's another video, and we're just going to go to submit buttons. We click on submit, call to action, click on that. Our call to action, we're going to put sign up now. Okay, and once we do that, that is in the button. And of course, you can choose your color arrows. All you'll have to do is just click on them, but we're going to leave it at white. Then you have your text color, if you want your text color white, which is light, or if you want it dark, and it would look dark. But we're going to leave it white. Okay, and the text buttons, the button colors rather, would be background colors or color wheel. Okay, so we're going to just go to the background colors, which are the more dominant colors of the form. So I think this gray would look pretty good. So I'm going to click the gray, and there it is. It pops right in there. We know that the blue did not fit. So once we completed that, we go close it again. Now, that completes the form. However, again, I purposely skipped a step for you to be able to see how easy it is to go back and put something in. Now, we did select call to action, but we did not select destination. So we're going to click destination. It comes up, and destination URL menu or delete. The destination we want, we go get it. And in this case, I want this one. I copy it. Then I go back to my Splash Wizard and I paste it right in here. And then I click save. There it is. And then I click close. So that completes it. The social sharing, we'll see if it's on or off. You have two options for the social sharing. So let's just click it and see. Oh, it's on. So we'll leave it on. This way you can do your social sharing when it is on. And since you see that it's on, you just go ahead and close it. So that completes how to do a splash page with Splash Wizard. Very easy, very simple. Okay, so let's go back to home. When we go back to home, we go back to Splash Wizard, to Splash Pages, and then we go to your splashes. Now, we said the name of that splash was Test. You always have the names. That's why it's important, so you won't get confused. Have the names of your splashes so you will not confuse yourself. We said this one was Test, so let's view it. We click View, and there it is. This is the view that your visitor will see. And let's make sure it's going where we said we wanted it to go. We click Sign Up Now. Yes, it's going where I said I wanted it to go. So there it is. And that's how you do a simple and easy splash page. So until next time, I look forward to showing you more of the Splash Wizard easy creating splash page maker for you to be able to build your list and to build your business at the same time. Now, if you found this video helpful, do leave me a comment and give me a like at the bottom of this video. Until next time, much success.